Hi, this is Heidi Jordan, and today you get me live from my cell phone at my office because my laptop is acting up. This is my assignment number 2 for Social Work 525. I was assigned the state of Michigan, which has the first and second most impoverished cities in the United States, Detroit and Flint. 23% of the nearly 2.25 million kids living in Michigan are poor. Now, to combat poverty, Michigan has a robust Department of Health and Human Services, which offer food, cash, and housing assistance, medical insurance, vocational retraining, burial coverage, which I found very unique, and a higher education incentive. The program that can most positively affect the lives of poor folks in Michigan is the Tuition Incentive Program. Now, this program is a state-funded program that pays for the first 2 years of college and beyond for certain kids, for eligible students who graduate from high school or receive their GED prior to their 20th birthday. Now, in order to qualify for this program, a student must have received Medicaid for 24 months during a 36-month time frame that's identified by the Michigan Department of Health Services. And the reason that this program really jumped out at me is because I'm a single mom of a 16-year-old son who is looking to attend university, and I'm trying to figure out how in the world to pay for this. We're not going to move to Michigan, but I certainly am interested in their tuition incentive program. Now, I would definitely recommend that the state of Michigan adopt and expand this tuition incentive program to cover the first 2 years of college for all youth who graduate or obtain their GEDs prior to their 20th birthday. This would dramatically increase the employability of young people, therefore improving the state's poverty statistics. Now, I work as an employment consultant, which means I help people with barriers get jobs. And one of the biggest barriers that people have is not having an education, especially not having a diploma or a GED. It is nearly impossible to place someone who doesn't have at least a 12th grade education. And it is also incredibly difficult to place a client in a job that makes a living wage if they don't have some kind of vocational training, university, education, or any other kind of skills gained in an internship. Now, potential barriers for those attempting to access this program would be the fact that this program is designed to reward and empower people who graduate or obtain their GEDs. Therefore, youth who are not graduating wouldn't qualify. And of course, this is not perfect. This program would very likely limit the amount of students of color, or perhaps even those that are living in homeless situations, from going to college, because they're more than likely, if they don't graduate, obviously they're not going to qualify for the program. But it is a place to start, and we have to start somewhere. And making young people more employable, I believe, is an excellent place to start to reduce the poverty in Michigan. Thank you.